Hey everyone, welcome back to Automate with Amit. For any job seeker, getting a resume shortlisted is a nightmare. Everyone thinks that if they apply on LinkedIn or any different job portals and just by applying they are going to get the selection or your resume got shortlisted email, then they are doing a big mistake. Because never ever it happens that ATS selects those resume who are very generalized and they are not matching to the job description. So your resume should be linked and it should be completely matching with the ATS or the job description, and that's why those resumes get selected by ATS who has more comparability or more they are matching with the job description. So all those skills which are there in their resume and they have the in the job description as well. So if those matches, then only ATS gives you, the chances are very high that you will get your resume shortlisted email, and most probably you will get the next round call also. So in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to create a custom utility for ourselves. It's very easy and very easy to use. So we are going to create a custom utility which is going to help us to enhance our resume 100x. So if you are not getting any email or you are immediately getting the rejection email by ATS, then this utility is definitely going to help you. So without wasting any time, let's get into the screen. Okay, so first let me show you how it works and then we'll go into the details. So this is the screen of AI Resume Analyzer. So in here what we are going to do, we have two boxes. Basically in here you are going to drop your resume and in here you are going to drop your job description, basically PDF. So and once you click on Analyze, this AI Resume Analyzer is going to compare both job description and your resume, and it is going to suggest. So it is going to give you very how you can improve your resume so that the chances of getting selected your resume by ATS is increased. So it's very simple. Once you click on Analyze, it is going to give you some suggestions. Now, before we move ahead, I want to thank Doctly.ai, who are a sponsor of this video, and we are going to talk about them later in the video. How we have used, we are going to talk about that. So back to our video here. If you see, this is the UI. Now, what I'm going to do, I have some in here. If I go on LinkedIn, I have this job post for automation test lead. Okay, and what I did, I have just copied this about this job section and have copied in here everything. So and also I have saved it as a PDF. Now I have my own resume over here, so I just want to put it in here. So what I'll do, I'll just click on upload resume and I'll upload my resume and the job description also, which I have just saved. And I am going to do this and click on Analyze. Now once you click on Analyze, it is going to do analysis of your resume and it is going to give you custom suggestions also, what was wrong and how you can improve your resume. It is going to give. It is going to take maybe a few seconds. Okay, so now over here you see it has given me analysis results and the match score is 75% and I have 10 years of experience, and it has also given me missing keywords. So which are the keywords which were there in the job description but not available in my resume. So it has given me this. So I'll just just copy and see if few of them are, actually those are existing or not. So here I'll just see if this is existing or not. So yeah, so ISO finance standards, it is here. It is here. Now I'll also couple of them, stakeholder management. Let's see what is here. So over here, if I come Control F, stakeholder management skills. So yeah, so it has given me all the keywords which were missing, and now suggestions to improve your resume. So how what is missing? Highlight experience in coordinating testing across multiple projects, emphasizing leadership and project management skills, and so many things, right? So it has given me all different things. Elaborate on experience with CI/CD pipelines and Azure DevOps, emphasizing proficiency in build automation and continuous testing. So all of these things, and by incorporating all these suggestions, I can definitely make sure that my resume improves. Now, how to check actually? So for that, what I did, in the same resume, actually what I did, I have added some more all the keywords which it has given me. Okay, so it has given me all these keywords. I just had added all these things over here. Now let's see if this improves. So previous resume score was there, or match score was there, 75%. Now let's see. Now I am updating the new one, and job description is same. Now let's see if I get the updated score at least. Okay, so now we got some match score which is 75%. I think it did not improve much, but or I think it did not improve anyway, but missing keywords are here, and suggestions to improve your resume. It has again given me some suggestions. So anyways, it has done its job. I like these suggestions, by the way. Highlight experience as a test lead or overseeing testing activities, SDLC, STLC, agile or waterfall methodologies within the context of test leadership. So all of these things actually we need to highlight in the resume in order to get selected by ATS. So now coming back to the how did we create it. Creating this is very easy. So I have used ChatGPT, by the way, so to be honest, but here I'll just explain how did I do it. Okay, the whole resume analyzer, this AI resume analyzer application is in two parts. First is backend and second is front end. So in front end, basically we are using static HTML and CSS. So HTML and CSS I have given ChatGPT prompt that help me create this stunning looking website which does so and so things. So index.html is the front page, the first page, basically this page, and this results page basically is the result page on which we are seeing the results, and app.py is nothing but it is helping us start the front end. And what we are using in front end, we are using Flask. Okay, and from front end basically we are calling this backend. Okay, so localhost 8000 analyze is the API we have created. Now you must be thinking, okay Amit, it's too heavy, but believe me, it's not. Once you understand, this is really easy. And why we are why we are trying to learn building all of this, because going ahead writing a code is not a big deal. Okay, because with the help of AI and all, you can also write the code, but you should understand how things are working, and accordingly you can stitch the code together to create such custom utilities. So in backend basically we have this analyzer, and in here basically we are using two things. This is our main file where I have created this fast API. I have used fast API, and I have created this analyze endpoint or analyze API, which is helping me analyze the resume and giving back the result. So it is just doing two things. It is taking resume from front end and job description from front end, and then extracting text from PDF. So here actually it comes the use of Doctly.ai. So over here for extraction I am using Doctly.ai. So now coming to the Doctly.ai, it is basically a data extraction tool, or you can say application, which helps extract data from PDFs accurately with the help of AI. So it can extract text, tables, figures, charts, high precision, providing structured markdown into a JSON format. So I have used this. So you can, even you can use your handwritten notes. So it can extract the handwritten notes with unmatched accuracy. And custom data extraction, any different types of data sets are there, it can extract with 100% accuracy. So I have used its API basically. So now once you sign in into Doctly.ai, you just have to go in API keys and you have to create your API key in here, and with that you just have to use their SDK over here. So this is the SDK. You can go on the API documentation also, and it has all the documentation. I have just used this 5-minute quick start demo, and I have given all of this to to ChatGPT, and it has created me this not very big but very useful method to create the to extract the text from PDF. This method basically helping me extract text from the PDFs, which is storing my job description as well as the resume. So now back to this. Over here in main, as I said, it is just having fast API. Now I have Doctly.ai, which is extracting the data from PDFs, and analyzer is simply I am using Gemini. So I have also used Gemini API key. You just have to go on Google Studio, and over there you have to create your own API key using Gemini. So you can create your API key over there. So once you go on aistudio.google.com/API keys, here you can have option to create your API key. Once you create this API key, you can use it in here. I am also going to upload this in my GitHub repository, so you can go and check out from there also. So yeah, so over here in ENV, basically you need to just add your API keys. I am going to delete all of this, so don't worry about this. So yeah, so once you have written all of this, then you just have to start your front end and back end. It's very easy to start. So once you are here, you just have to make sure that you are activating your virtual environment. Okay, so how are you going to use this whole project? Once you clone this repository in your system, you have to go in that particular repository or in that particular directory, and then Python 3 -m virtual environment venv. Basically you have to create virtual environment. Once you have done, then you need to activate it using source venv bin activate. This is for Mac, so you can check how to activate it for Windows. Then Python -m pip install -r requirements.txt to download all these libraries. And then once you are done, then this is the command uvcon backend.app.main and reload port 8000 to start backend. And this is the simple code for starting your front end. So once you have started your backend and front end, then it is going to run. So you just need to start backend and front end in different terminals. So in one terminal you need to start your backend, and in another one you need to start front end, so that both are running. And once you are done, then that's it. You just have to hit this URL which is your local host, and then you are ready to use this application. So that was all in this particular video. I hope you liked the way I have explained, and if you have any further doubts or any questions, do let me know in the comment box. And do also let me know if you enjoyed this type of videos where I create the tutorials to create custom utilities and explore some new AI tools, how to use them. So do let me know in the comment, and these help me to get motivated and get ideas also how or what type of videos you are liking and you want me to create. So with that, if you are new over here, please make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.